Hello, I'm Tyler Kennedy with my bike check. First, I got some shit grips. I don't know what the fuck they're called.
Really bad.
I got a cut-off bar end stuck inside my bar. I'm pretty pissed off about that. And I got one Colt bar end. There it is right there. Yeah, I'm a badass. I got the S&M Hoder bars. Fucking love them. Recommend them. They're badass. And I got the stolen convict stem. Some rusty ass bolts. That's how I do it. I'm a boss. I got like 9,000 spacers. Like, what the fuck's that about? I got a Colony integrated headset. Yeah. I got some of my Fit shift forks. Shitty ass paint job. Yeah. I'm cool like that. Got some zebra tape. I got a Fit FAF tire laced to a stock stolen revolver rim. My Nike SB sticker. Yeah, it's badass. Stolen seat. No, fucking, it's Spudnik. Spudnik seat. Stock C-clamp and C-post. Stock pedals. Stolen mob cranks. Shit bottom bracket. It sucks real bad. Stock chain wheel. And I got Shadow Conspiracy half link chain. I don't even know what rim this is. It's off a Fit M83. It's laced to a Fit FAF tire. And last, I got my 2-hip Playboy frame BL 2010 series. Yeah, bitch. One love.